Welcome to the top best. The best carbon steel wax is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential products for maintaining the longevity and pristine appearance of your carbon steel tools and cookware, providing a crucial protective barrier against rust and corrosion while enhancing their natural luster, making it a must-have for anyone serious about preserving their valuable investments with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. Hi-Spec 17-piece metal file tool kit. Discover the ultimate filing solution. This comprehensive 17-piece kit provides everything you need for precision work. It comes neatly organized in a convenient zipper case. Tackle any project with ease. This kit includes both large machinist's files and delicate needle files. They are perfect for smoothing, deburring, and shaping various materials like metal, wood, and plastics. Experience superior durability. These files are crafted from heat-treated T12 high-carbon steel. This ensures exceptional hardness and wear resistance for long-lasting performance. Achieve intricate details effortlessly. The included 12-piece needle file set is perfect for delicate tasks and tight spaces. It offers various shapes for versatile use in detailed projects. Keep your tools in top condition. A stiff wire brush is included to easily remove filing particles. This helps maintain a smooth finish and ensures their efficiency. Transport and protect your investment with confidence. The sturdy zipper case, made from splash-resistant Oxford cloth, keeps everything organized. Elastic straps secure each tool in place. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers unparalleled versatility for all your filing needs, from rough shaping to intricate detailing. Its durable T12 carbon steel construction ensures long-lasting performance on various materials. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional needing a complete and precise filing solution, this set is your ideal choice. What people say. Number 4. AWEASROY Griddle Seasoning. Introducing AWEASROY Griddle Seasoning, your essential partner for maintaining cookware. This premium product is crafted with a perfect ingredient ratio, ensuring safe and effective use. Why is griddle seasoning so important? It creates a vital protective layer on your cookware surface. This barrier shields it from environmental factors like water and humidity, extending its life. Experience improved flavor and prevent food from sticking. This seasoning wax helps create a natural non-stick surface, enhancing your food's taste and making cooking a breeze. Ensure your cookware lasts longer and resists damage like sticking, scratching, or rusting. Its non-stick properties also make cleaning effortless after every meal. For best results, heat your grill to 55 to 70 degrees Celsius, then apply this product for maintenance. Remember, do not let the grill temperature exceed 70 degrees Celsius to ensure safety. Store it in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated place. Always keep the container tightly closed to maintain its quality and effectiveness for future use. What we like. This seasoning wax creates a crucial protective layer, ensuring your griddle remains non-stick and easy to clean. It also significantly enhances the flavor of your food, giving that signature grilled taste. If you want to maintain your cookware's longevity and elevate your cooking experience with delicious, non-stick results, this product is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Crisbee Rub Cast Iron and Carbon Steel Seasoning. Introducing Crisbee Rub, the premium seasoning for your cast iron and carbon steel cookware. It's designed to keep your pans in top condition. This exceptional product is proudly family-made right here in the USA. You can trust in its quality and craftsmanship. It's the cast iron seasoning oil and conditioner preferred by experts. They rely on it to maintain their valuable cookware. Using it regularly helps you maintain a cleaner, non-stick skillet. Enjoy effortless cooking and easier cleanup every time. This rub acts as both a seasoning oil and a conditioner. It protects your pans and enhances their natural non-stick properties. What we like. This seasoning rub is the preferred choice of experts for maintaining cast iron and carbon steel cookware. Its unique formula ensures a cleaner, naturally non-stick surface with every use. If you value a product crafted with expertise and family tradition in the USA, and desire top-tier performance for your cherished cookware, this is the one to get. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract specific points as the source was empty. Number 2. Kamado Joe Classic Joe Series 2 18-inch Ceramic Grill KJ23 RHC. This premium 18-inch ceramic grill offers the perfect cooking size. It comes with a robust cart, complete with locking casters and wheels for easy mobility and stability. Its revolutionary multi-level, half-moon design transforms the cooking experience. This system allows you to prepare various foods in different styles and at varying temperatures, all simultaneously. The controlled tower top vent ensures consistent air settings for precise airflow management. Constructed from powder-coated cast aluminum, this rain-resistant vent allows you to smoke at 225°F or sear at 750°F. Its innovative air lift hinge significantly reduces the dome's weight. You can lift it with just a single finger, providing the most comfortable grilling experience possible. The advanced multi-panel firebox features a patent-pending 6-piece design. This construction eliminates breakage and significantly increases its overall grilling efficiency. What we like. This ceramic grill offers an incredibly versatile cooking system, allowing you to cook different foods at varying temperatures simultaneously. Its control tower top vent ensures precise airflow management for consistent temperatures, from low and slow smoking to high heat searing. If you're a serious griller or smoker looking for ultimate control and flexibility in your outdoor cooking, this model is an excellent investment. What people say. Number 1. Cutting Board Gel Citrus Scent 8 ounces. This exceptional gel deeply penetrates your wooden surfaces. It combines food-grade mineral oil and beeswax to ensure they remain protected and look pristine. Enriched with beeswax and mineral oil, this advanced formula acts as a powerful conditioner. It provides a robust seal that significantly enhances the longevity of your wood. Formulated with food-grade beeswax and oil, it offers a dual-action approach. This revitalizes and protects all your wooden surfaces, keeping them in top condition. Combining the best mineral oil and food-grade wax, it offers unrivaled deep penetration. This ensures total surface preservation for all your wooden boards. Designed with food-safe oil and wax, it serves as both a charcuterie board oil and a cutting board conditioner. This premium formula ensures all your wooden surfaces receive optimal care. Formulated exclusively with food-grade ingredients, it ensures complete safety for all food preparation. Its innovative gel texture allows for smooth, even application and consistent conditioning results. What we like. This cutting board gel provides superior surface sealing and comprehensive nourishment for all your wooden kitchen tools. Formulated with food-grade mineral oil and beeswax, it ensures complete safety for food preparation surfaces. If you want to protect and revitalize your cutting boards with a safe, easy-to-apply product that leaves a pleasant citrus scent, this gel is your go-to. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.